Razer is one of the most recognizable brands when it comes to gaming. Seeing as the Razer Blackshark V2 is their flagship gaming headset, there are a lot of high expectations for this device. Were you considering purchasing this product for your gaming needs? Well, before you do, here are 5 things to consider. Number 5. The microphone quality. To be completely honest, the microphone quality of the Razer Blackshark V2 is the weakest aspect of all its features. Features like the sound quality and user comfort are so much better. But hey, just because the microphone quality is the weakest doesn't mean it's bad. When you compare the microphone quality here to most other gaming headsets on the market, you'll hardly notice a difference. And so, if you want to use this microphone for something like gaming, you'll have no problems. But we won't really recommend it for podcasting. Number 4. It's not wireless. These days, wireless gaming headsets are all the rage. And this is for good reason. With wireless headsets, you have a whole lot of freedom. You can celebrate your in-game wins as haphazardly as you like without worrying about tearing any wiring up. Unfortunately, the Razer Blackshark V2 doesn't give you this option. It's a wired device and therefore restricts your movement. But hey, the fact that it's wired means you never have to worry about running out of juice. See, every cloud has a silver lining just like every Razer Blackshark has a wire. Number 3. The Razer Synapse software. The Razer Blackshark V2 works incredibly well when you use it on a PS5 or Xbox. However, when you use it on a PC, the main advantage is that you gain access to the Razer Synapse software. This is the proprietary Razer software that gives you way more control over your peripheral devices. And so, with the Razer Blackshark V2, you will be able to control things like volume presets, user profiles, and so on. You can optimize the sonic experience to be exactly as you want it. Isn't that awesome? You could have different settings depending on if you're playing a game or watching movies. You could also have different settings for different users. This way, if you share the headset with, say, your younger brother, you two don't always have to argue about the settings. If you thought you had seen the most exciting of what the Razer Blackshark V2 had to offer, think again. This product has yet more tricks up its sleeve. Before we get to those, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. This way, you never miss out on any of our awesome tech breakdowns. Alright, now back to the video. Number 2. The sound quality. Okay, this is what you're really interested in, isn't it? Well, we'd be glad to let you know that the sound quality for this headset is off the charts. No matter what you're doing, you can always hear even the faintest of sounds. Absolutely no details whatsoever are lost. If you are a professional music producer, you can absolutely use the Razer Blackshark V2 in your line of work. Whether it be strings, drums, vocals, or bass, you're clear. The Blackshark is exceptional at rendering all those sounds. Number 1. The price. Honestly, the best attribute of this product is its price. It costs only $100. Although this is the price of standard gaming headsets, Razer's direct competitors, such as SteelSeries and Turtle Beach, have priced their products significantly higher. And so, if you want a really high-end gaming headset, but you don't want to spend that much money, then consider picking one of these bad boys up. You can use the extra $100 to improve your gaming rig in some other way. In the final analysis, the Razer Blackshark V2 should not be underestimated, especially when you consider how competitively priced it is. Razer could probably get away with pricing this product at $150 or $200. However, by keeping the price at $100, they are drawing in a wider consumer base. Thank you for watching this video. Please check out our other videos on if expensive PS5 headsets are worth buying and 5 PS5 headsets, which are also compatible on PC. Until next time, have a great day. Catch you later.